In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your online portfolio with WIX, desktop and mobile. We'll build a clean, professional portfolio using the built-in WIX tools so it looks great on both desktop and mobile. Start by opening the WIX website editor. Once you're in, look for the search option in the editor's panel and click it. In the search bar, type your query to find the WIX portfolio tool. When you see the option that says Showcase your work in a beautiful portfolio, select it. Then click Add to Site. WIX will drop a portfolio section onto your page, and you'll see controls around it. Click the highlighted option on that section to reveal more settings. Then choose Manage Projects. Inside the Project Manager, you'll notice sample categories like Event Photography, Portrait Sessions, Wedding Albums, and other. Click through the categories to see how they're organized. We'll set up the collection manually, so when prompted, choose Set Up without AI. Now click Add Project to create your first project. Use the highlighted fields to add your project title and key details, then click Next. Continue by using the highlighted toggles and options to control what shows on the project page. Think cover image, categories, and any extra info you want visible. Click Next to move forward, then Next again to confirm the settings. Use the highlighted fields to fine-tune descriptions, links, or tags as needed, and click Next once more. When you reach the media step, click Add media to your project and upload your images or videos. Aim for high-quality visuals that load quickly by compressing files beforehand. When your media is in place, click Done to save the project. Back in the editor, select the Portfolio section and click the highlighted Layout controls. Open Stretch and enable it so the gallery spans the full width. This helps your grid breathe on desktop and gives WIX more room to auto-optimize on mobile. Use the highlighted alignment and spacing options to keep things consistent across breakpoints. When everything looks right, click Publish in the top corner, then click Done. Your portfolio is now live. As a quick tip, keep project titles short and consistent. Add concise descriptions focused on outcomes, and use meaningful alt text for accessibility. WIX automatically adapts the layout for mobile, and the stretch and spacing choices you set here will carry over, keeping your work easy to browse on smaller screens. That's it. You've added the WIX portfolio, organized projects, uploaded media,